get ready for some drama. Because in this ice cream, you're gonna get a really interesting clash between burnt, smoky, ashy, and creamy vanilla. It's like a double personality ice cream. I have 2 saucepans set over low-medium heat. I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of milk, 1 piece of true cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I'm waiting for it to come to a very gentle simmer. It cannot come to a boil. And while that happens, I'm gonna make some caramel here. In order to make caramel, all you need is 3/4 cups of sugar, a pot, and a little patience. Let the sugar melt over medium-low heat, swirling occasionally until it turns a dark copper color, about 7 to 8 minutes. You have to keep an eye on both things. Meanwhile, I'm gonna whisk a couple of eggs with 2 tablespoons of sugar. I recently got a lovely email from a woman named Margarita. Since she started watching my show, she stopped watching soap operas, which made me very happy, but that puts the pressure on because that means I have to give her a lot of drama. Luckily, this recipe provides it. You're gonna see why. And you really want to turn that shiny yellow into a pale yellow. I love having many things going on at the same time. It's like if you're juggling with balls, for me, the more balls you throw at me, the better I get at it. So having these 2, oh yeah, the caramel is ready. Take the cinnamon stick out of the hot milk, and this is where the burnt milk taste comes from. I'm going to burn the milk with the caramel. Oh, see? I told you there was a lot of drama. You need to whisk all the time because the caramel will want to harden. So now we have the burnt milk. We're gonna fold these into the custard base. And here I have 1.5 cups of heavy cream, and I'm gonna add a little bit of these, and then I'm gonna slowly start adding the hot milk. So I need to be whisking as I am gently pouring because we don't want the eggs to curdle. Continue alternating between the cream and the caramel. And let me taste to see. It is dramatic. It is so delicious, but it's like that drama is woven into this really smooth, sweet base. It's gonna make for a great ice cream. I'm gonna put it in my ice cream maker with the frozen insert. Then we're gonna pour the ice cream mix. Now I'm gonna turn these on, and it's going to churn anywhere from 45 minutes to 1 hour and 15 minutes, depending on your manufacturer's direction. Look at that. Looks a little bit like a dulce de leche or cajeta ice cream or salted caramel. You can taste that deep, dark, burnt layer of flavor.